All right, sorry y'all, bit of a late start. Boom, headset on. Stuff that we need to work on today, open. Still doing that second part. It's gonna happen, I promise. It's happening right now. Ooh, I even got my work timer open today early. All right, and let's see if I have done the magical thing of setting up my webcam correctly for the first time. Get ready, folks. Hey, what's good, Sinjin? RC in the chat. I broke my stream deck again. It is. We are so up right now, my dudes. What the? I think I just stepped on a leg. What is going on? Okay, I am losing my mind right now. But what else is new? Am I right? Okay, hold on. Let me try to restart my stream deck so I can actually get the switchers to work. Because if I don't do that, I'm gonna have to click like a nerd. It's gonna be crazy. Okay, I think, are we good? Hey, okay, and hey, work first try. What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is I Don't Know Entertainment, and welcome to today's stream. I hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday. I didn't forget what day of the week it was to say. And ooh, the tracking is working first try. We're doing so well right now. Let's see. Let's turn on the ring light. Flashbang. It was even the right lighting that time too, dude. It's so good right now. This is one of the main times in the stream where things are gonna go super well. So, everybody, we are going to be doing a continuation of yesterday's. Ooh, a lot of stuff going on right now. We're gonna be doing a continuation of yesterday's work, which was, what is going on with my face? That lint. I walked through like 8 spiderwebs this morning, walking my dog. But before we do that, I want to do a quick little pat on my own back, if that's okay with y'all. I'm working on some confidence, and here we go. Shablam! We hit it, boys. We did it. Yeah. Oh, we hit triple digits on the YouTube. So that means 100 on YouTube, 100 on Twitch. The face reveal is happening soon. So this is all cool. Holy crap. Thank you for this. I know I'm being goofy about this, but really the excitement is just preventing me from waffling. Also, my hair is nuts. I just took off my little sleeping hat. But yeah, this is crazy. This happened yesterday. I didn't shout it out because I didn't realize it until after the stream went down. But this is crazy. So thanks again. This is we hit triple digits on both platforms at this point. So that means we just got to keep going. I'm locked in now. I can't just disappear anymore. I can't disappear to get milk. The milk's already here. That was a really weird metaphor. I'm sorry for that. But yeah, this is hype. So thanks, guys. And the other thing I wanted to point out is we go over here. Potato Game is now officially available to download on itch.io. Try it out. If you weren't part of the Discord server and you haven't gotten a chance to try it, this is the first game we have actually fully finished, and I mean finished to the point where there's a lose condition, there is a fully functional menu, and actually semi-balanced mechanics. It's the first game we've ever put on itch. You're gonna be mostly lurking today, got some rough dental work to go. Ooh, gotcha. Yeah, no, it's all good. Giving my best. But yeah, no, you're all good, dude. Don't worry about it. But yeah, if you guys are interested, it's available to download for Windows. If you download it, make sure you unzip it and you run the application. There's a bunch of different Godot logos because I just realized I forgot to change the icon for the game. But yeah, give it a shot. Leave a comment if you want, share it with your friends if you want, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, give it a try. This is the first time I made an itch.io page. First time a game has been published on a very easily accessible platform ever since Google took down my mobile game, so try it out. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's get into like what we're actually working on today. So, quick little recap of what we did yesterday. First off, we fixed ridiculous coding, so now it's a little less destructive on my senses. We learned how to use CSG meshes, which if you are a Unity developer or an Unreal developer, you should be used to Unity's equivalent, which is Pro Builder, or Unreal's, which is, I can't remember. Brushes? I think it's called Brushes in Unreal, where basically you can kind of 3D model an engine. So I completely forgot Godot had that, and I was able to whip together some pretty clean meshes. So we have now an in-game mesh for our key. We didn't have to hop in Blender for that. If we go over to our apartment level, you can see now we have something of a level or something that looks more like a level. You can go over here. You can pick up an object, you can drop the object. That took way longer than it should have. You can go over here, you can interact with an object, and then you can pick up a key, and look at that, we win. So, that was fun. Hey, look, my driver's got an update. Wouldn't that be a smart thing to do during stream? But what we're gonna do today is mostly just actually getting the layout done for our first level. Because if we go back over to our Notion board, we can see that the MVP requirements are 2 to 3 levels, with the third one being a bonus level. A level countdown, which is easily accessible. I don't know what that meant, but yeah, that's, I guess, accessible now. Interaction system, a level selection system, basic sounds, models, and effects. So right now we're going to be prototyping the apartment level, which means a couple of things. Let me open up my favorite. Also, I have a thing about making games in apartments. Maybe I'm just projecting the fact that I want an apartment, but I can't afford one. Either way, today we're going to just be kind of getting the layout of how the first level is going to be. So it's super simple. You're going to have X amount of time to find your key so you can make it to your dentist appointment. You look around the room, there'll be a TV, a futon, a fancy lockbox with a code, so you find out you need to find the code. Here's a solution, by the way, to the game. I'm not going to post this part of the VOD. A little door area, a little microwave with a broken timer, and it's like, hey, that's a hint. A hint that the microwave has something to do with the code, a fridge, a chair, a pizza that is just straight up on a table, no plate, because that's the kind of life our character is living here. And yeah, so with that being said, let's get this done. So we have the basic setup for the apartment level, but we're missing a couple of key components. Or even my dog Paz wanted to do that pun. I am so sorry. He did it again. I have a Deus Ex Nexus with good. Ooh, love the creeper emotes. How you doing today, dude? You know, a pun is really, really just perfect when you can affect your pets at the same time. So yeah, let's figure out what we first have to do. I'm going to get rid of everything we've set up, like this wall. We're keeping the room, but we're getting rid of the wall. The key is going to be needs to be inside something else. Let's see. I need to figure out how the key works, because I've actually forgotten how I set this up. You made your first Unreal game so you can learn it. It's a very small platform, but yo, dude, that's huge. Congrats, dude. And you already got the music part. You already got your music skill set up, so you can just, like, you can already make a soundtrack for that? That's sick. You made it in an hour? Okay, no need to flex, my guy. But that's awesome. You got some footage you can share if you're feeling comfortable. No biggie if you don't. I get it. Okay, so I can just make something that spawns in a key if you interact with it. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So one of the first things I want to actually get done is the lockbox mechanic. So what that is just basically the player interacts with something, a little menu pops up where you can, I think I just did something. It's just basic platforming and coin collection, but it's a start. Yeah, no, that's honestly, just getting into it is impressive nonetheless. Especially starting off with Unreal. Like, out of all 3 of the major engines, Unreal is definitely the biggest learning curve. So seriously, man, power to you. That's awesome. So we're gonna make this lockbox today, and what that requires, let's actually start writing that down in today's Notion board. Because, yeah, we're still technically on the last day of the sprint before we move on. So the next thing we want to do for this is we want to, let's see, add a lockbox puzzle object. Then we need some kind of key entering screen or minigame. And we need functionality to spawn key. Actually, this is all this. Now I think about it, like, this needs to be in here. So I'm actually going to delete this, move this in here. So let's get a little to-do going on here. That's not how you spell to-do in any capacity. Add icon, lockbox, or can you get like a chest? That's a chest nut. Box. Sure. Hey, blah man, what's good? How you doing, man? Hey, Noise and Safe, how you doing? Hey, Noise, perfect, you're back. So that means today we'll be playing Baldi's Basics at the end of the stream, as promised. You're gonna go ice game for the first time ever? That's what's up, Safe. I'm glad to hear you're doing well, blah man. Let's see. I don't know, it's usually what people say when they meet each other, greet each other. Wait, what? What'd I miss? It's usually, wait, I feel like I lost track of what I said before. By the way, do you think I type fast? I have no idea, dude. 0.75 seconds, yeah, sure. I mean, the only way to do it is if you go to monkeytype.com and you show me a typing test. Why hello? I treat that as a question to why people say hello. You're gonna give me an existential crisis with that. I love it. Get ready for some jump scares. I watched a horror movie last night and I went to sleep. You think I can't handle jump scares? Okay. So what do we need to do? We need to add, let's see. Need logic to spawn key when opened. I think that's the first thing to do. We need a minigame or small screen to enter a code. And that's really it, actually. Oh, we just need to also make the object / temp mesh. Okay, there we go. You have very sophisticated humor, laughs, and posh English. Well, in my great state of California, we only speak in 16 syllables, and all of them have to do with quinoa. Spell that with the fancy posh English. I actually I don't know if I've talked to you guys about this, but I'm actually I like to cook and bake a lot. Actually, a lot of times when I'm making a game, it's I've wanted to make a food game for a while, so I have an excuse to make cooking videos on my YouTube channel, just to say hey, here's my own version of binging with Babish. And one time, so just know this is a whole setup to say I'm obsessed with food. One time, Google did a little doodle, Gordon Ramsay's shouting simulator, only if you voice it. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, so when Google did this doodle where it's like what is the top food, like from each state in California, or each state in California, in America, my bad, the United States of America, California was quinoa. And if you don't know what quinoa is, it is like this, I'm just gonna say, it's this peasant grain, all right? That's the only thing I can describe it. Feudal era, and this is full hate. If you like quinoa, we're beefing. Full hate to quinoa. And the only reason why I'm so mad about it is the first and last time I've ever had quinoa, there was a whole stick, not an herb, not from the plant, there was a whole stick. There was a tumbleweed in my plate, man, and that tumbleweed entered my mouth, went through my digestive system. I ate a small stick expecting short grain. Is it the spelling? It's everything. I just hate quinoa. I hate it. It's bad. Eat grits. Eat grits, eat oatmeal. Oatmeal's so much better for you, I think. Don't take me. You're making a Baldi's Basics reaction in Roblox. Want to take a look? Yeah, soon. When we get to the gaming portion of it, yeah, hit me with it. Send some screenshots out in the chat too. And some of it once was good at first, but we want to throw up. Yeah, because it's bad. Like, not just bad in flavor and texture, but also on principle. Like Sinjin said, quinoa has stupid spelling. Why are you eat something with cool spelling, like couscous, man? No, that sounds like Cusco. You know what Cusco is? It's from a movie called The Emperor's New Groove. Phenomenal if you haven't seen it. There we go. There we go. Also for here's another fight I'm about to start, another food fight. See, look, I can do sophisticated humor too. I kind of went to college. Grits and quinoa, I mean not grits and quinoa, God, my bad. Grits and polenta, they're the same thing, all right? I'm saying it. It's both cornmeal, both served phenomenally depending on what you put into it. One has shrimp, one can be cut into, one can be frozen, cut into like little cylinder medallions and be pan fried and served with a fantastic sauce. It's great. Best thing is plain white rice with black pepper, salt, and butter and chicken. Add, you know what? I can agree with that if you add like some garlic to that. And like a little cilantro if you don't have like that gene. that like makes cilantro taste like soap. If that's what you got, I'm sorry. I like how we have done no discussions about games. We've just gone on the grain talk here. This is feudal time with I don't know, understand that. Have I heard of Rasol? I have not. Quinoa is the worst thing invented by humanity. Best goes to Crocs. But you got 233 CPM. No way you did that. Or CPM. Where's the D? Give me the WPM. Do I like Sorrel? I have no idea. What are you throwing? What are these things? Okay, we're getting a little off topic here, but I'm all for it. Hold on, let me look this up here. Oh wait, this looks gas. Okay, hold on. What's in this? EatingEuropean.com. Chicken drumsticks, nice. Ooh, beef bone. Yeah, I mess heavily with this. What kind of thin noodles we talking here, though? I like this though. Sorrel too. Okay, I mess with sour soups or sour foods. Sorrel is any type of perennial herb of the buckwheat. Are you gonna trick me into saying like quinoa? That's also a restaurant in California. This looks cool. This looks like a legendary herb or something like that. Your peach accuracy was 3 and when you were like 9. That sounds about right for starting out. Wait, this actually looks, dude. This is a health potion right here. Oh, it's hibiscus. Oh yeah. No, this stuff goes hard. I love this stuff. Yeah. It is straight up a health potion though. Hibiscus tea is so good, dude. I don't ever hear enough people talking about it. Then again, the majority of my diet consists of the same thing over and over again. And hibiscus is just happens to creep in there. Essence flask, dude. I wonder if I can dodge roll after drinking that. Oh, you know what? Sick trick. You guys don't do this. I'll do this. I'll tell my brother to fight me, and then like I'll take damage, but then like I'll drink some sorrel juice, and then yeah. No, this is cool. You're giving me something to do today. I love this. All right. Your PCMC was like 300 when you were 9. No way. Get out of here with that nonsense. Also, what's good, Theo? You know, I might actually do some typing tests on today's breaks. I haven't done those in a minute. I actually really like those. You guys want to watch me type on my dirty mechanical keyboard? What was I doing? I wrote down the to-do list. They're actually doing game dev. Also, welcome to the stream, Theo. I think this is your first time here. Do you try Rasol on one of my streams? Okay, I'll do it. Ain't kidding. Your like second or third typing speed was like one. I'm not. Nah. Sorry, man. I refuse. I will try it though. Rasol on my stream. Yeah, I'll do it. Okay, let's get to the logic to spawn key when it's open. I think that's like the most important thing here. So I have the rigid interactable object, which is just a physics-based version of our puzzle object. But I think what I need to do is I need to extend the interactable object and just see what we have access to. So we have, by default, move, pick up, destroy. We can just add another option to it called drop key. God, I love this add-on so much here. Actually, you know what? Let me turn off the shaking. I'm gonna turn it off in its entirety and just have the little effects. Yeah, that's about right. Maybe can I turn off the explosion too? Guys, what do you think? We turning off the explosion? Or are we keeping this on? I feel like we have to keep it on. What am I even saying? Sorry, man, to get your message, your ranger ruined the moment. Oh no, it's perfectly fine, dude. Are you kidding me? Literally, like at any point in time. I'm a computer goblin. I'm on here frequently. And I say that with great pride. All right, time to edit my favorite thing, a match statement. And I unironically mean that this is my favorite thing. I learned about this way too late in my development life cycle. You know what, actually, when I learned about this, I learned about match statements when people were calling out Yandere Dev about his development instead of just him as a person. Again, for worse stuff. Let's pack scene. I genuinely can't see what I'm working on when I do that. Let me turn up. What's causing that? It's the blip and the explosion. But there's so much. I'm still an infant dev. I want the XP. Am I planning to add emotes? Should you be an affiliate someday? Yes, I am actually. I kind of forgot that's a thing, and we're actually really close to affiliate, which is kind of crazy that you're saying that now. Do you want to see a funny meme? Always, dude. You never have to ask. Zonk check Discord. All right. Here, no, this is what we're gonna do, kids. This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do, folks. That's a whole link. Okay, hold up. What you got in a second? This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set my work timer as we usually do. I'm gonna add in as much as we can. After 30 minutes, we'll check out the link. We'll do some typing tests. We'll do a little chat. We'll have a little tea time. I actually could go for some tea right now. Iced tea superior. Take that, British people in chat. Rapid fire speaking emote. Okay, man, come on. Come on. Okay, so we have the ability to drop a key. So what we're going to say is, oh, we're gonna create a var new. I'm turning off this thing. I need to actually focus. I keep doing this. I'm awake now though. Where's the ridiculous coding? There we go. Okay, so we want var new key is equal to, and this is a key, crypto key. I'm sorry. Is this actually a thing? No, it's just an interactable object. Alright, cool. Var new key and it's equal to key scene dot instantiate. Cool. And then we want to set new key dot global. Oh wait, no. I think you have to add it to the tree. See, get tree dot add. Actually, no. What do we want to do with this? I don't know why I keep forgetting how to spawn stuff in Godot. This is like a pretty routine thing. Get parent that child. That's what we want to do. Okay. Get underscore parent dot add child new key, and then we want to say new. Oh, whoops. There you go. And then we want to say new underscore key dot global underscore position is equal to global position. And then we want to queue free. You guys saw I got very minimal sleep last night. What do you mean, what did I say? Oh yeah, the iced tea is better? Yeah, what are you gonna do about it? Nothing. Nothing. Cold, refreshing tea. Cold, refreshing tea. Ice cubes in there. No sugar, because I like the bitterness that makes me feel alive. In a glass. The meme is killing you, or I'll check it out in a second. So fast, my cousin's compared to my tongue. Oh my god. Alright, you know what? There we go. You're alright, blah man. I like you. You're going places. You're going places, kid. You're going places. Alright, so this is the first basic thing. We want a drop key functionality to this, and then we just need to quickly create an interactable object. And we will just make a... I forgot I worked on the key. Did I? Yeah, I just made a whole different thing and I just used the interactable object. So that's what we're going to do. We don't need to mess with that anymore. We just need to create a new interactable object. There we go. And then looking at our 3D scene, let's give it a collision shape. There we go. Then we're also going to give it a CSG combiner. And that's our new best friend. Making sure that this thing exists here. Key scene by default. Actually, yeah. I'm going to make sure that... Well, actually, no, I don't care enough about that. We're just going to drag in the key scene here so I don't always have to put in the path. Puzzle actions will be drop key. Interactable object, this one will be called lock key box or key holder object. Let's see what we got here. Angela Sirocco, what's good? How you doing, man? How you doing? Okay, we got the collision shape, we got our CSG combiner. So now let's add in, oh, first off, temporarily, let's just add in the keys. Actually, no, this is a cartoony game. It doesn't have to make sense scale-wise. He says as he adds the key. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't need that. So CSG, I don't know, I keep saving. Yeah, obviously I want to save so I don't like get mad that I delete my thing, right? Jeez. What's this, trying to make me a good developer? Oh yeah, cool thing I learned about Godot, by the way, guys. Has built-in it has built-in auto-saving features that you actually have to set up, which I didn't know about until recently. So another one for Godot. Unity is actually the only engine out of the big three that doesn't have it. And then the last time I looked on the forums to be like, hey, where is this? Someone said,
well, actually, if you want to be a good developer, you should just save automatically, and it's kind of your fault if you lose it.
Which is like, hey, that's good and great, but I still lost all my code. And it's just like, yeah, cool. Thanks for the help. You did the test again? Locked at 296 CPM. Where's the WPM though? That's characters per minute. Where's the words per minute? That's what I'm looking for here. That's what we in the typing community call a high score. I have no idea. I built a keyboard, so I'm just considering myself an expert at this point, dude. No one can talk to me about that. There we go. And then let's duplicate the CSG box. This one will be like box. This one will be like key panel or lock panel. There we go. Put that there. I don't know why I put this in the CSG combiner. It's not like I'm going to give it a global material. See, every time I make a game, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna actually like learn more stuff and like actually learn how to use tools like Blender. But then I'm like, oh wait, CSG combiner, this makes my life so easy. And I don't have to leave the engine, effectively locking myself into one singular piece of technology. Heck yes, dude. Okay, let's set this up. Okay, cool. So we can just select it until it's gonna be like, nope. Oh, beautiful. And let's make this like matrix green, dude. Who on earth is calling me? You wasn't going full speed, like you went fast, but not your peak speed. I'm telling you, Safe, hit me with the words per minute, then we can talk. You're still avoiding it. Actually, I'm gonna make this gold. It's like, hey, look at the key is in here, you ding dong. There we go. And then, sorry for that horrible language right there. That was very uncalled for, y'all. Here, let me just quickly respond to that call. Just be like, hey, I'm not ignoring you. I'm just actively doing something. Hold on, y'all, real quick. 59 words per minute. There you go. Nearly a word per second. Not bad, dude, not bad. Well, all right. Hey man, I'm seeing all these British flags, but you know what I'm not seeing? Oil. I'm not seeing the birthplace of McDonald's and the cheeseburger. All right. You want to have this fight? Let's have this fight. Gut shape, box shape. What have I done here? What have I done wrong here? There's a question I ask myself on a very frequent basis. Okay, so the problem with this one is the let's see, it shouldn't be there. It should be right there. Oh. Yes, there we go. Lockbox, done. Should have just made this gold, but whatever, dude. Who even cares, man? I care. Deep down inside, I care. I'm just pretending to not care because I want to be cool. Do I seem cool, guys, by not caring? Is that what the cool kids do now? They just don't care about stuff? I don't pay my taxes. That's gotta be cool, right? Right? Committing felonies has to be cool. Right? Okay, I think that's good. Whoa, missed a lot here. You do it again? Awesome. Yeah, keep it up, Sif. Get those numbers up. What do you think about this? Your logo, and then written under it, lose those games. It flips, it says F the player, which is provided by punching a fist from inside the screen. Okay, you're gonna be the best dev. Everybody gonna love me. You're gonna be like, what is it? Like you're gonna be the antithesis of like a comfort streamer, but it's like for dev. You should make like a cozy game, but like you have that pop out and you're just like, uh-oh, here's the big reveal. It's not a cozy game, it's a looter shooter and it's got a battle pass. Whoa. Oh man. Or you have to give me like 45% of your profit now that I've given you that idea that you've just said, and I just reiterated it, so I can't wait to get that profit. Okay, drop key is gonna happen, cool. So upon interaction, the key should spawn. Okay, let's go back to our apartment level and just set that bad boy up. I thought I deleted everything, I did not. Boink. And let's go key holder objects. All right. I can't click it. Yeah. Yeah. Haha, yeah. Yay! Haha, video games. It doesn't work. Your stream was lagging, you didn't hear me? Okay, it's cool. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a comfort stream. You're gonna make a game that's like a cozy game, right? But instead of it being oh, you know why it didn't work? It's because every time I do this, I don't properly set up my collisions. Haha, silly me. Needs to mask, interactable needs to exist on that too. I think that's good. You should make a comfort game, and it's just like, hey, what do you mean you've been interacted with? You're not doing the thing I specifically instructed you to do, which is self-destruct. Drop key. Is this even happening? Hold on, let's see if this is happening. Maybe I'm the fool. Key. And we can get rid of this I've been interacted with. I don't think we need that anymore. Yeah. Button. Yeah. I see. Okay. Key holder object. You. Okay, what's the other one set up like? 1313. Okay, what's the default one set up? This is an interactive object by default as well. This is set up on 13123. No way. I'll be very upset if this is what is going to be my issue here. Okay, so we're getting the interaction here. Oh, we're not, I should say. Let's run this shiz again. I'm now starting to fail on my cursing. Okay, so we're running the interactive script. Oh, my good golly. I've forgotten. Wait, is this because it's set up to be a puzzle? Oh, wait, no, is this not even gonna work? If other ID is equal to puzzle ID or... Oh, God. I see. I have made a mistake, guys. Should I do a final time and lock in fully? 100%, dude. And try key BR too, so you can match those typing skills. So I set this thing up to be a puzzle, and the problem with this being a puzzle action is that it requires to perform puzzle action script here, and this only occurs if a puzzle thing is interacting with it. So this actually doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is, rather than set this to be a puzzle action, I'm gonna create another thing called basic. Wait, what? Didn't this work with the rigid? Oh, yes, I've done something completely different. I see. Yes, I see. Yes, quite. Okay. Funk. Perform. Interaction. Action. Okay. And then what we want to do is that. Oh my God, I am not coding like that. Okay, so now I just need to get this in here instead of this. I don't need pickup for this anymore now that I think about it. Cause that's like very basic stuff. Go to pickup. You gone, kid. And we have move and destroy, and we can just have move and interact. So this drop key interaction actually should be... Actually, no, we're good here. I'm gonna put this drop key interaction in here, and hopefully this works. Oh, okay. Can't you keep the puzzle things and have the parameters pre-assigned, like func xy, what I want, optional, null, option 2, then you can keep the function, you don't need to do the parameters, should work. Okay. The only reason why I was thinking about doing it like this is like if I want to... Oh yeah, no, that's a really good point. You know, we're gonna try this out. So we're gonna have a exported bool here called... Right there. Override. Puzzle signal. Oh my God, dude. You're crazy, John Luca, but thanks for the $10 tip, dude. Appreciate you. How's your game going, by the way? Hopefully, that Yap session we had helped out a bit. Let's try try this. Oh, why did I, what am I doing right now? There we go. Use to override signal and just call puzzle actions on interact. 1v too many. Yeah, I did. Okay, 1v too many. Am I fighting you guys now? Is that what's happening? You did back to coding with your tutors for coding because I low-key forgot some stuff while in Blender. You do what you said and focus on making a little demo, a little modeling after. Awesome. Glad to hear that. Plus, you're going to give me some use of my Roblox account now. Because I only play Roblox every blue moon. But no, I got a better reason to do so. Okay, so what we're going to do is prove that I don't know how to code. Yeah. Okay. God, dude, I have actually just, my brain just completely fried thinking about this. Oh, other ID is equal to int. Okay, but like perform puzzle action is gonna require that. So if I set this equal to 0, or let's just set this equal to -1, actually. What? Can I have mandatory parameters after an optional parameter? What? Can I have mandatory parameters after an optional parameter? So by default, it can't be that. Okay. Is it gonna give me the same error here? No, it doesn't. Okay. Is override with 2 V's a meme? Did I spell it like that? No, it wasn't me. I was just like, I'm just seeing if the real brains got that. Have I heard of the channel Bip and Gib? I have not. What's it at? What's it all about? Okay, let's see. This is just gonna make sure it works. Can I do like an export range on this so I can't let go long? What's export range have to do it? Min float, max float. Can I get an export? Is it only integers? Oh, export inner float. Oh, okay, I got it. This one? No, it's not the original. We don't want to look at that right now. What were you just working on, dude? There's so many tabs open right now. Where is my other one? Where's the actual thing I was just actively working on? Actively, for real, on God. Why'd I say that? Did I close the tab? Dude, I'm losing my mind right now. There we go. Close other tabs. Perfect. Clean. Okay, export range. Command X up. Command X. I'm on a computer. 20. Hopefully there should be no more than that. Perfect. We're gonna say that. It's equal to that. Then we're gonna say stamp or override puzzle signals equal to true or false. Wait, no. Okay. The com still has 2 V's. Seriously? I don't know what's going on with me with the spelling right now. I'm overthinking this instead of actually just trying it. But if I type what you want to type, you can go a bit over 300 CPM. Not bad. Still not bad, dude. Let's see. If other IDs not equal to puzzle ID and sender stuff. Okay, so then just return. So it's just like, all right, cool. So if the other ID doesn't equal the puzzle ID we passed, or the sender is equal to the self, then we return. So in either of these cases, it does that. But what we need to do is, I think, add an and to this. And override puzzle signal is equal to false. So if it's this thing and that thing, then it should be that. Else we should run it. So let's just test this out right now. By default, override puzzle signal should equal to false. And I'm just gonna set this just for my own sanity. You'll go back to finishing the room. Good luck. Thanks, boss. If I make it back alive, I'll have stories to tell. If I don't, I died. How much is my CPM and words per minute? CPM, I have no idea. Words, I've gotten up to 96, I think, once. My brother's an insanely fast typer, though. Like, he's my little brother can type ridiculously fast. He has been practicing since elementary school, though. Like, as this little, like, kind of a side hobby. And I want to get to that level of stuff. Okay. Let's try this out now. So we have a key holder object right here. Let's just set this up. It is a puzzle. That doesn't matter. Override puzzle signal on. Puzzle ID, puzzle action, strap key. Okay, so theoretically this should work. Okay, that still works. That doesn't work at all. Okay, okay. This is another thing where I have to use OR. I just forgot how and ORs work. No, OR broke that, actually. That's funny. Return. This might just have to be a series of return. Y'all imagine typing competition with the winner is Zach Zonk. I found out that Zonk was actually taken with all caps first. Mine is lowercase, and it's a Darman channel ripoff. So now I want to put myself as far away from that as possible. So I'm probably gonna change the channel and add no entertainment on YouTube as well. Okay, we're just gonna do this. If okay, if override puzzle signal is equal to false. Take this. I don't like doing this, but I really can't figure this out either way. I'll just fix it if I really don't like it. If override puzzle signal is equal to false, and if that happens, then do that. Okay. Okay. I think I can get away with not doing this now. There we go. Okay. So now we're gonna say, like, if the override puzzle signal is equal to false, so that means we're not gonna do that. And if the other ID does not equal the puzzle ID or the sender itself, we're gonna return out of that. That should work, I think. Yeah. Okay. Did I just not set that up on the key holder here? Can I get this, like, here? Let's see if we just get the override working. Okay, we're just not even getting override running by default. Oh, wait, did I just not set that up on, because I know sometimes if it's on one area, it just won't be set up here. No, it totally is. Override puzzle signal is on. Does it have to be like is puzzle, or is it just gonna call it by default? Or did I have no way to set that up? Oh, I think I know the last thing I haven't done is, because right now the only way to do this is I have the signal, set this stuff up, signal, puzzle chain connect. So if the puzzle is true, we want to emit it. That's still correct. We want to run another one where it's like if override puzzle signal is equal to true, still run perform puzzle action. And this should set it up, I think. There we go. There we go, we did it. Okay, that was kind of dumb, but you know. Did you look at the meme I sent? Because I was on a side quest? Not yet, we're still working on the work timer. We should be done in literally 5 minutes, and I'll check out your meme. We just finished this up, which means we're gonna have to go through code cleanup pretty soon. So we actually don't need this debug anymore, which is nice. So if it is a puzzle, it does interact, but if we have override puzzle signal, it does that. Then it just double checks to make sure that happens. Okay. Huge thanks to Lewis for calling out the fact that I could easily simplify this. I think Lewis, this is like the second time you've saved the day for coding portion of that, but we got the first part of our stuff done, which is logic to spawn the key. Now we need a minigame or small screen to enter the code. Okay, now here's the next fun part, which is adding in, excuse me. Let me just quickly group this together so I can't mess with it, and actually lock it, because there should be no reason for me to mess with that in terms of transform. The next thing to do is to actually add in the little minigame for entering a code. So I could either have this be like a box you type in, or I could have this be like a little scrolly thing. I think I legit believe it was 2024 was just a time skip. Dog, what are you talking about? Yeah, they went fast, but like, you only have 10 memories of 4 years. I mean, you were like, what, 8? When that happened? No, I can't do math. I can't do math. I'd be surprised, man. Like, during that time, like, even as an adult, yeah. But I remember the horrors. Count yourself lucky you don't have the horrors in your mind. Okay, let's just set up a basic mini game right here. I'm gonna call this one. Let's get a panel as our container. Make sure we center that bad boy there, and let's turn on the grid and grid snapping, so we can expand this guy out to here and down here and down over here and right here. Okay, we're gonna call this one a code screen. Sweet. Under this panel, we are going to add in an input. I thought that was a thing you could do. I'm pretty sure it is, and I just don't know what it is. It's called a text edit. So there's a line edit, single line text. That's what we want. Because what we are just trying to do is we are trying to. There we go. We're just trying to set up a really simple screen where you can enter in a code. So like halfway across that one box, it should be halfway across this other box too. Yay! Placeholder text, number. Alignment should be center. Max editable length should be 4. Editable, yes. Expand text length. Blah 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 blah. Right icon. Theme overrides. Here we go. Fonts. We don't have any fonts that we want to use right now, but font sizes, yes. Crank that up a little bit so we have. Oh, okay. Perfect. That's just about right. And we'll leave it as that. And I think if we want to set up spacing, alignment, caret. Oh yeah, of course. Put that. Are you kidding me, dude? That's quality. Secret. What's a secret? Every character. Oh, it's like a password. Cool. Oh, so we can make like a login screen. That's rad. Theme overrides fonts, font sizes. Can I get like spacing for the input? Layout. Is it here? And I just missed it. Transform. Nah. All right, that's fine. That is really cool though. Oh, sweet. Virtual keyboard too. Awesome. Flat drawing. All right, cool. Draw control characters. Sick. All right. Nice. So we got our little line edit here, and we got our base text. Let's try out putting this in here. We're gonna be like code enter screen, and let's see what things we can get here for our line edit. We have submitted, which is whenever the cat. Jeez. We have text change when the text changes. Text change rejected. Okay, let's run that. So let's say we got our code enter screen. And let's set that under scripts, and let's make, I haven't made any folders for UI yet, that's fine. Okay, code screen, boop, boom, extends panel, we're gonna call this one class name code screen. All right. I am going to go grab a glass of water. I'm going to back up the project real quick because we're still working on this. Let's see, we're still in the in progress branch, nice, work in progress lockbox. Let's see. Added box or added interactable that drops level key. And let's see. Added, or let's see, work in progress, code enter screen, UI. Perfect. Push origin. Nice. All right, BRB, I'm gonna get some water. It has officially been an hour. Oh my God, really? Oh, check it out. Blah, man, I don't know if you saw this yesterday. We got a new webcam. So now we don't have to like close out every single time. So be right back, y'all. I'm gonna get myself some water. I'm gonna stop the tracking so you guys can't see the horrors that is the unorganized nature of my room. Oh, okay, I didn't stop it. Hey, I think. All right, cool. Cool. Let's try this out one more time. There we go, tracking stopped. All right, I'm gonna go get some water, y'all. I'll be back in a second. We're gonna start a timer. We're gonna look at the memes. We're gonna do a little bit of typing, BRB. All right, meme time, y'all. Oh, wrong screen. There we go. Water my mustache. Gross. Tracking back online. Let me open up the Discord real quick. Okay, let's see this meme. Whoa, 2060 message going for, oh, I see the body's basics. Let's see. Look at the meme. Where is it? Where is it? Did you send it in the Discord or was it like a different thing? Oh, here we go. Richard's Guide to Solve Software Development. Let's see. Let's see. This looks like a quality meme. Posting it right here so everyone can see it. Let's see, where's the gameplay scene. Boom, right there. How software design. How much time needs to be spent on each part. How software looks before the beta test. Yeah. How? Yep. Okay. Cool. Nice. Yep. All right. Cool. Yeah. No. I too end up with genetic abominations every time I make a game. And for everyone in the YouTube chat who didn't see the Twitch chat go by, Blahman asked how everyone's day is going. Super sweet. Thanks, Blahman. All right. So. Going back to, whoa, did I just hide the, weird, did I just hide the music? Oh no, I just went back to the tab. But yeah, no, we are chilling right now, y'all. This is the break time. We're actually, again, employing good work-life balance tactics. Take a stretch, everyone. Correct your posture. Maybe do what I'm doing right now. I'm standing up. I'm moving back. Doing little stretches. Wow. This is why I usually wear my headset. You guys can't see it. My hair goes everywhere. Doing a little bit of stretches. Little static stretches. One thing in help. Oh, in the help chat? Oh, crap. Oh, pronunciation of... Okay, here, let me see. Oh, it translates to chicken broth. Neat.
Rosu.
Rosul?
Rosu.
Rosul. Oh, cool. I was saying that super wrong. Rosul. I'm gonna practice that. It's gonna be my new stem. All right, doing a little bit of stretches. Take some drinks of waters, guys. Feel it. Really stretch out your hammies. Unless you're about to go exercise, like what I am going to do after this stream, so probably this is actually going to make it significantly worse. Never do static stretches before you exercise. Whoa. Hey, check it out. Look at the camera. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. You're gonna go get some squash? I have never seen someone say they're just gonna get squash before, like as a snack. That's sick. Wait, I guess, No, I stand corrected. Like every Thanksgiving, we have squash. Yeah, my bad. You enjoy your squash. What kind of squash are you eating? Were you eating spaghetti squash? Butternut squash, which goes so unbelievably hard. Feel the stretches. This is weird now, but ooh, Still haven't changed out my pajamas. Oh, drink squash? What's that? Is that like... Hold on, I'm looking up. You don't make a crazy dev team? Oh yeah, this is like... I got the sports squash, I forgot that was a thing. Oh yeah, no, that would be that'd be like the Ocean's level dev team right here. I'm looking it up right now. Juice mixture. Let's go, what's in it? What's in it? What's a squash drink called America? Oh, it's fruit punch. But probably like way better for you than it is here. That'd be crazy if like the game jam was just all of us making a game together. And it's like the real victory or the friends that we made. Joel pitching a group project that we do inside and pitching every once in a while. It's gonna have the craziest code base in history, dude. Like, what would the code? I mean, obviously it'd be Godot. That's not even an argument. Everyone just have to switch to Godot briefly. But what else? Okay, that's a stem now. Oh yeah, let me actually set up all these basics too, so we can get that at the end of the stream. I'm also bookmarking this meme. This is a good meme. Okay, where can I play this? We can play it on. Oh, it's an itch download. Or I could play it on this website, which is 1000% a scam. Baldi's plus 10 US dollars. Oh, and there's Baldi's merch too. Okay. I can download it on Android and iOS. Sweet. Okay, Baldi's Basics 1.43, Windows 64-bit. Yep. Radical. So something I have realized is that every single time I do run this game, or I do play this game, or play a game on stream, there is a very, very weird amount of snow, like, or just white noise. Like, for some reason, my computer can't... Oh, I ran the wrong timer. Okay, we got about a minute left in the work time, or the break time anyway. I have a weird amount of, like, de-resolution whenever I stream a game. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's probably the fact that, like, streaming a game versus streaming making the game, you know, that, like, barely has anything in it compared to something that has years of stuff in it, probably ain't great for that. Yeah, I don't know. That sounds like a cool idea, Jean-Luc, though. We actually are getting to the point where, like, I think if we did start a game jam, we'd actually get more than 2 people participating. Which would be rad. We might do that. Maybe that'll be like the 100, Biak. Maybe that would be the, like the special. Because I've been trying to figure out what to do for like the 100 follower, 100 subscriber special. And that'd be like on top of the face reveal, because the face reveal is happening soon. That might be it. Alright, that's our minute. Back to the old ground, boys. Okay, dev scene, work chunk going. That's not the dev scene, that's the Discord. So we got our code screen here, and this panel is pretty straightforward. What we need to do is a couple things. One, we need to make it where we can set up what the code is upon interaction. So it's either A, on interact, the lockbox actually just sends out a signal if it does contain a code. And then it just tells that onto the player HUD, because the player HUD contains all the UI that we want. That's actually exactly what I'm going to do. I don't even know why I'm pretending like that's not exactly what I'm about to do. Yeah, so what we need is, we need a couple of things. Actually, now that I think about it, all that needs to be done is like whenever the player interacts with or whenever what's called, this line edit pops up, it should just like tell the player the text changed, and like if you enter in the correct code, you should just win by default, or should like open the box. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So first things first, we need to make it where it's like, hey, if this is a lockbox, then what you're going to do is you're going to move over to you're going to send a signal back over to the player and be like, hey, there's a lockbox, you need to start this code thing. So that's the first thing. Let's add a state for this guy, puzzle actions. We're going to call this one a lockbox. And then we're going to add another state down here. Call this one a lockbox. Okay, imagine if I was still muted, dude. That would be so embarrassing, and also on brand for this, for the streams. So what we want to do for the lockbox is we want to say, hey, let's add some to-dos to this right here. First to-do, send signal to player to open lock screen with the assigned code. So let's add let's see. We're gonna put an export var lock code. It's going to be an int. And what I want to do is I want to set the range of the int. I mean, I want to set like a specific length of how many numbers it should be. I know there's a bunch of different types of exports. I just don't know which ones I want to use specifically. We can have an export enum. We can have an export. Oh, I know exactly what to do. Because it should always be a 4-digit code. Oh, wait, what if 0 is like the top one though? This will actually just make this really easy. It's gonna, okay, text change is gonna be a string. All right, so I'll just turn the code into a string. So the export var lock code, it will be an int. Let's just call that, yeah. And what that lock code will do is it'll be like, all right, cool, if this is locked, adjust this. There we go. We're gonna actually have this be an export category, or I'm not gonna fix that up yet. Well, when we do code cleanup, we'll do that. Lock code int. Do that here. Must be a 4-digit. For some reason, this seems more right in my mind. Number. Okay, so then what we need to do. What's wrong with drop key? Oh, pass doesn't have anything in it. Oh no, lockbox has a to-do code in it. So it needs to send a signal to the player. The player is going to have to player enters in code to do lockbox. Let's see, lockbox state switches to drop key. Cool. Let's try that out. So now let's go over, we need the key player. We don't need the level handler right now, nor the GG script reference. The code screen needs to say open. What we do need to do is we need to open our signal bus script, because that's actually what, this is actually outside the Godot file system. Scripts. So signal bus, where you at? It's in the auto loads. There we go. We need to create another signal called create another thing called new code. RC code entered. RC open code menu. And I think for now we'll do that. Copying from the object itself. Need the key player to connect to that on ready. Open code menu dot connect, and we're gonna set that up to a new function called down here on open code menu. It's going to return a void, and what this is going to do is it's going to tell the player here to open up the code menu. It's code screen. Put that under the HUD. There we go. Make sure this is accessible with a unique name. And we're going to say code enter screen dot visible is equal to true. Then we're just going to take this, copy this guy right here, and then put that in here. Cool. See, bam, 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 intro, bam, 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 intro. The theme of Groose. Now Groose is loose. It's the theme. The theme is Groose. What is Groose? You're praying? Hey, that's what's up, man. What is Groose? Is that just like, is that a gross goose, or is that Gru mixed with a goose? So I'm saying girls, he says gaggle. It's a little goose factor right there for you guys. Search up the song. Alright. Groose is loose. Alright, we'll search up after this. Okay, so what I need to do now. So let's just make sure this works actually first. Whenever the let's see, code screen. Interactable object right here. What we want to do is we want to say if it's black box, send player to associated screen. What we want to do is we just want to do signal bus dot open code menu dot emit. And then if this works, then it should be pretty straightforward, and the code screen will just open up. And we'll make this, I think, arrange from top to bottom, from bottom to top. So, or top to bottom, I think. So this should work. Let's try it out. Excuse me. Over here, go to our code. Okay, no, oh yeah, because I didn't change the state on our key holder object. Puzzle action is lockbox. There we go. Okay, we didn't get anything opening up. Or if it did open up, I just didn't set it up correctly. So under the key player, this was true, this is print code time. Run this again. Okay, signal just didn't connect up. Signal bus, open code menu. Connects it on open code menu, that's correct. Interactable object, signal bus. Oh, is it because I put the pass in there? It's probably because I put the pass in there. Let's try this out one more time. Run it. Okay, nothing happening still. Search the song, theme of Groose with lyrics. Alright, I'll check it out. By the way, the man, the cast of Sweet Home live action. Oh, I'm not engaging on this one anymore. I remember what happened last time. We ain't doing it. Let's see, single most open code menu. Go to the 2D real quick. So if I have to look at the player here, set the code screen to visible. Okay, code enter screen set up to be that. Okay, yeah, the problem is just that isn't loading up on the player. So what we need this to be is we go to the key holder object here. This is running here, single bus enters, open code emit. This is connects. Dimension, yep. Can I just get like a print here to see if this is working? Sure. I should have just had a breakpoint on it. Oh, This is just like actually not happening. Okay. Cool. Oh my god. There we go. There we go. Cool. Okay. Let's fix that up real quick on the code screen. Let's show interactable objects. Print key. Cool. That's good. Key player. We don't need to do that. Cool. What's up the code screen? That's visible. Code screen's gonna have to have some stuff where it's visible. All right, you're chill. All right, I believe you. Let's figure this out here. So let's see, we want to get a code screen visible, let's equal to that. And then what we want to do is we want to just make sure we can actually enter in the code. I think that's next on our list. So what I have to do for that is I have to change the input priority on our FPS player. So by default, it's let's see if I remember how to do this actually. Input that mouse mode is equal to mouse input that mouse mode visible. Let's do that. Let's see if that works. Nice. Okay. And then what we want to do is we want to make sure that the code enter screen just has the priority. Can I make it so it's like by default it just is on? See, it follows editing text can be modified, new text can be added, virtual keyboard can be enabled. Middle mouse, selecting, editing is enabled. Drag and drop select, right icon. We don't want anything flat, draw, control characters, okay, cool. And for the code enter screen, I'm just do a quick theme override because I forgot that by default the canvas texture is just a flat screen. So I'm gonna make this like just a random color. We can actually just see by default like that. Cool, and the line edit, let's do the same thing. Just to make it a little more, I guess readable. And I guess font color would have been nice, but colors. Their font colors should be black by default. Okay, whatever. I'm not even gonna mess with that. We'll just change the can I just like, oh, I didn't know you could do that. Sweet. Just like black. Or, I don't know, green. There you go, perfect. Okay, now we just need to make sure that this has focus by default the second it changes visibility. So we're gonna put a signal on this guy here. Okay. Let's see, visibility changed, put that on that guy, and we're gonna say if visible equal to true. And what we want to do is, can I just have this be, put a pass in there just in case I actually have to do something here. Let's see, do that. Okay, I can't click on the text edit box, which I'm not sure why I can't do. I wonder if it's, this has happened before where it's just like, it straight up is because of how like things can work. Have you ever thought about opening a mushroom production plant? We have talked about this. I am not doing that. That's not me anymore. That's all you, dude. This has happened before, and it's like, it's a really dumb reason why this won't work. I wonder, okay, so if I just, this code enter screen, right? This is extended panel. I'm just gonna quickly test something out here, where if I go over to the player view, and if it is what I think it is, this is super annoying. But if it's not, then it's nothing too crazy to worry about. I'm gonna put that here. I can do that. Put that there. Okay, it's too much, right? Let's just put it right there. There we go. Put that here. Open up here. Click on that. Okay, so it's because some is impeding with how it can be clicked on. So it might just be how I have this crosshair, click contents. Trying to put mouse, filter. Ignore mouse. We don't want the crosshair to do anything. Time label. By default, we want to also set you to mouse. Ignore. So crosshair set to ignore. Code enter screen. Should be fine. Item render, mouse, filter, pass. It's pass just by default. It's just like see mouse inputs, click through G control, see mouse enter. If the control does not live in, okay, because it shouldn't do anything with it actually. Let's see if that actually fixes it up for us. Boop. Boop. Hey, okay, now we got something. Radical. All right, that's what we need to do. We just need to make sure that was actually completely passed through with that. And then the last thing I want to do too is just quickly double check on our player, because we should have. Did I handled everything inside of input instead of unhandled? Why me? Okay. There we go. Okay. That just broke everything for a second. Okay. That means I have to quickly go back over to... This is a huge change that should have been done a while ago. Fun fact, if you are working on an FPS controller, hey, Wine Pot, what's good? It's been a minute. How you doing? I'm not doing it. I'm not singing anymore, Sif. That's a one-time thing. Okay, so that still overtakes it. I thought that would do it. Unhandled input should be used for basic movement code though. But I think it's because it's taking or unhandled input should be used for interaction on your character, but I think it's because of the way I am handling movement that it's overriding that. Yeah, because it's taking the mouse stuff, but we don't want, that doesn't really matter. It's more this is the problem. Yes, okay, so. Oh, it's already 12:30, that's crazy. Working on your own game stuff with a friend. How's it here? Oh, it's chilling here. We're working on a puzzle game right now. You're only ever on when I'm climbing around elsewhere. And, you know, as long as you're having fun. We're working on a puzzle game right now, and I'm adding in the ability to enter in a code on a code screen here. I'm kind of being dumb while I'm doing it. But what's the game doing stuff you're doing about? What's that all about? I guess I could add something here called like, there is typing. It's equal to false. By default, it's a bool. Keeping my code consistent. I'm gonna say, oh yeah, I don't have any, okay. I don't have anything on here. We're gonna say like, funk. Because we need to do something about the physics process. Physics process delta super, and it's gonna be delta, there we go. And, I wonder if I can do this before anything. We're gonna say if is typing is equal to true. and return out. That'd be really rad if I could just do that. Cool. Oh, I never said it's typing. It kind of helps when you set a boolean to work, but at least we know that would work. And we're gonna set that is equal to true. Input mouse mode is visible. We're gonna set is typing is equal to true. Perfect. Awesome. Now if we go over to, is that just how I set it up on the UI cancel? Let's go to that. Yeah, we're going to do that. And we're going to actually put this one right here in our code screen. Func input. Then we're going to put that, and we're going to put visible is equal to false. We're doing a WarioWare. Ooh, nice. Wannabe's Game Jam. That's pretty cool. And the theme is Inside Out. You are my portable panel. You were talking on the right stream. Inside Out is Safe's favorite movie, I'm pretty sure. Or it's their current obsession movie. Okay, if event that is action press UI canceled, we want to set the if to false, and then what we want to do is, I think what we could also do is just utilize what we have on our player here. So instead of like changing this to false, this will make, unfortunately this makes it dependent, but if I change it later, dot open code menu dot emit. I should probably change this to toggle code menu now. Just to make it correct. Just gonna break something. So I fix it. Go over to the key player. Toggle code menu. And then we'll have this to on toggle code menu. It's gonna freak out because it's not real. And we just gotta change it down right here to do this. Nope, not you. You. Toggle code menu, and we're gonna say if that equals that. Boom. So we're gonna set it if it's actually false. Then we're gonna set input mouse mode is something is equal to true, and code enter screen visible is equal to true. And we're gonna put else, and we're basically just gonna do the inverse of everything here. So input mouse mode to mouse mode captured. Then is type is equal to false, and then this is equal to false as well. So that way, whenever like we click escape on the code screen, that will happen, and we'll be able to just like pass inside. Yes, someone said inside out.
How does this domain work, bro? How does it work?
What?
How does UG's work?
I have no idea. Let's just need to change this one right here.
Apparently he's...
Oh.
What?
No spoilers.
I didn't say anything.
Alright.
So I bleeped myself out.
Cool. Alright, cool. That's good. We can toggle that. Now the last thing to do is... Sorry, I'm cracking my knuckles, y'all. You found a Groose masterpiece when writing a script for a game. Blahman, send the Groose link in chat. You got me interested now. You got me hyped. I ain't that down bad. What exactly were they talking about? It was a theme for a game jam. Where they're making like a WarioWare type game. Which, you better send a link to that. Wine Pot. I want to play that. That sounds fun. I never got a chance to play the Wario games as a kid, so I'm super down now. Got Pizza Tower now, though, which is like a different type of Wario type game. Okay, lockboxing, nothing to come. So what we want to do now is we want to go over to our code screen here, and we need to make sure the line edit actually works properly. So if we go over to our node here, we have text submitted. I'm assuming this is just whenever the player places enter after doing a line edit. This is called whenever a text is changed, this is text rejected. So then this is what we're gonna have to do. We want to run this text change, call this on the code enter screen here. And then what we want to do, what do we have to do after this? On new text, we want to see first if len new text is equal to 4 is the hard-coded value. So let me just quickly make a note of that. As this is a hack. 4 is hard-coded. For code length, I want to change that up. So length is equal to 4. Then what we want to do is we want to emit a what we want to do is, or do we want to confirm it? No, I'll just make it so it's like if you type in the correct code, it'll just double check it, and if it's correct, then it will emit a signal that then says, okay, cool, this is it. Time to open up this lockbox. Time to do a bunch of cancel stuff. Okay, so I think if we want to do that, what we need to do is we need to have a to-do, toggle, let's see, send signal to a player and whatever lockbox was interacted with code to, or send signal to lockbox interacted with to check code, to do close, let's see, run puzzle, let's see. Yeah, that's it really. We just have to make sure that works, and then we just have to make sure it knows what's what. So under signal bus, I think I have to make my next auto load, which is the common refs auto load, which I haven't done yet. And this is a pretty basic thing that I do. This is called node bus. We're gonna call this one node refs. Yeah, I remember that. Didn't I just send you that?
I hate you.
Oh shoot. You don't understand? Let's see. Did you know you're smarter than me because I don't understand Scratch? Alright, man. We're gonna call this one node refs because all we need to do here is, this is just what I set up for their player ref. This is what I set up if I need like something that I just need to reference across different nodes, and it allows me to just set this up if it exists. Var active lockbox is an interactable object. So then what I want to do is I want to say like interactable object lockbox. I'm gonna say, oh, whoops, did not set that up yet. Auto loads. Oh crap, I forgot I have all this extra stuff. Auto loads, common refs, boom, add that. Nice. Now we can do this, say common refs dot active lockbox is equal to self. There we go. Yeah, no, I understood this if. Let me make sure how much time we got left on the work timer. Literally 41 seconds. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna end the timer there. I'm going to finish this up because I want to at least get this lockbox part done before I move on to the game part of the stream. Because after we get this done, we can actually just like straight up finish up the setup for the first level. We can actually work on like a graphical overhaul, which I'm excited about. So we got the oh, real quick, let me just back up the project to make sure we're doing stuff great. Doing stuff well. Yeah, grammar's failing me right now. Work in progress, lockbox, backup, adding logic to open box. There we go. Okay, sweet. So let's make sure that's set up. So then what we want to do is on code screen, if it's 4, what we want to do here, just gonna put that right here because it makes it easier. We want to say What is it? You can make a Five Nights at Freddy's scratch game? Do it, dude. That's an ambitious project, but I'm curious to see what you can do with that. Do I want to handle this as a signal, or do I want it to directly talk to it? I'm gonna have to directly talk to it. Well, no, that's kind of against Godot principles. It should be signal calling down. So, since we already know what the active is, no, I'm just gonna have it talk to it directly. We're gonna say common refs dot active lockbox, and then under interactable object, we're gonna have a function here called check code. It's gonna take a code and it's gonna take a string as its thing. It's gonna return a void, and then what it's gonna do is it's going to say, let's see, if code. Let's see, what do I call it? Yeah, if code, or if int of code is equal to. Did I just straight up call it code? Lock code. Then what we want to do is we want to set puzzle actions equal to drop key. Then after that we want to run the perform puzzle actions function, which should now, oh yeah, we also want to run this one as well. So do that, want to do that, we want to run drop key, and then we want to call perform puzzle action. Sweet. So that toggles the code menu. Yeah, no, actually, I think that's fine. I think this actually should work. So just to quickly go over the logic for everything, make a tax evasion simulator. You seem like you want to do that. You should do tax evasion. And I endorse that. Do that. Don't do that, but do that. Let's see, code scene. Let me just quickly go over. So every time you do that, if the length of the text is equal to 4, it sends, let's do that, dot check active lockbox dot check code, right? Check code. And it takes new text as its thing. Okay, so then don't need that anymore. Invisibility change true, we don't need to work on that anymore. Input event, UI cancel, just tells the signal bus to toggle the code event again. But all we're doing here is that. Let's actually do that real quick. Visible is equal to true. Real quick, let's just set line edit. I'm actually gonna make a reference to it too, so it knows what's up. Where line edit of type line edit is equal to this. Visibility equals to true, visibility change is equal to false. And we're gonna set line edit dot, oh, clear. Sweet. Because that's way the function will just constantly run all the time. Hopefully. So if this works, we should just get a straight up ability to open up the lockbox on the player. So if I go over to the apartment level here, go over to the key holder object, go over down here, set its lock code to be like, let's call this one 6789. Save the code. Oh, signal bus to toggle code menu. Forgot that. Okay, let's try this out. Whoa. Can't call clear. Okay. And is instance valid line edit. Let's try that out. Okay.
Yo. Oh. And then if I click escape, that is toggling that. Okay. That's kind of cool. This is the last thing we have to do here, which is... There we go. Cool. Can I hop the floor without breaking it? Sweet. Okay, we need to add a better way to quit. But yeah, that's it. All right, cool. Let's go over to this and let's say added lockbox mechanic. There we go. Push that in the origin. Check our Notion board, see where we're at today. Minigame, yep. Make object appear. Yep, time match. All right, cool. That's done. Then we can create a pull request later, but for now we can move that into complete for our Notion. And that is the last mechanic we actually needed to start working on the graphical portion of the game. So, with that being said, I'm gonna go get another glass of water because I actually chugged that when you guys weren't looking. Yeah, I'm that cool. And then we're going to be running Baldi's Basics. Are you still there, Noise? Guess that's what's happening right now. I know it's the only song that can possibly describe nostalgia with no lyrics is Bundle of Joy. You did say this last time. Alright, let me just make sure I get the Baldi's Basics zip. Unzipped so we can get that ready. And then when I come back, we can
What's this?
run that. What?
It's the pink.
What's the pink one? Oh, he got a blood drawn yesterday.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna check. So when we're back, we're gonna check out the Groose masterpiece. Then we're gonna run a couple rounds of Baldi's Basics. Don't worry, I'm not forgetting Groose. We're gonna get some water, and before we get into it, we're gonna do a little brain loosen up with a quick typing thing. We're gonna do the Groose. We're gonna do Baldi's Basics, and then I think we're gonna call it for today's stream because we are almost at 2 hours for today's stream, which is about the time we usually do. So your BO. Gonna quickly. Is that you or is that Jethro? What'd you do to him? I don't know. You started sniffing. Here, let me just make sure. I'm gonna make it easier for me so I can actually just turn off the tracking without always like making guys look at my hand for like a good 2 seconds and making that real awkward because I learned in school that's actually kind of rude. So, there we go. We good? All right, BRB, gonna get some water. All right, I'm back, fellas. Let's start this off.
Ridiculous.
Whatever.
Common courtesy.
Common courtesy.
Ridiculous.
How many times have I made you food?
What is that? I do it every time you go down too. You're like, "Oh, can you give me some more?" Alright, sure. And you're
Oh my
and
God.
you just said no for no reason.
So anyway, we're gonna watch the Groose video
That's so
now.
insane. That's so rude.
Let's see. What
Actually, so rude. I'm so thirsty, man.
Groose theme? Okay,
God.
this looks fire. Which one? Is it the Joe one? Are we doing the Joe one first? What are we doing? Is it this one? Oh, we're doing the Joe one. Gotcha. Right here? Alright. Yo, let me make sure that we're properly set up here. Muting the music.
Look out, boy. It's Groose and his gang of bullies. Well. If it isn't late, or should I say,
With lyrics, my bad.
sting.
Oh!
I'm scared. Give me your lunch money.
Oh, not this one?
Squeak.
Because we're getting kind of rude. Alright, Groose theme with lyrics. Which one? If you send me a link, it's going to try to block it. So, is it this one? Is it made on the internet? All right, made on the internet. Got you. Okay. Oh. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, I can get behind this. Yeah. All of you go watch this video right now. Go watch this right now. I'm not becoming a reaction channel. Click this right now. Man on the internet. Go like this song right now. You think I'm playing? I'm not. This is high quality. I wish I was this talented. This guy. This is insane. Yeah, okay. Okay. How do I meet this Groose? Mm-hmm. 2019. Wait, is Groose the one singing? Okay, no, this is great. There we go. Okay. Now I feel enlightened. I'm gonna listen to Bundle of Joy on my own time because I feel like that might be a copyrighted song. Here, look at. I'm looking up. Inside Out. I'm not watching it! It's another Inside Out thing. You almost got me. You almost got me safe. That's the wrong thing. Alright, let me set up the game. God. Okay. It's Baldi's Basics, baby. Okay, because you figured out, yeah, this game's intended to be a horror game. Okay, cool. I already crapped my pants, so we're ahead of the curve. Such as something that has jump scares and is generally pretty spoopy. It was supposed to be, if you download this thinking it would be a great edutainment for your kid or something, don't let them play it unless they enjoy horror game. You've been warned. I'm ready. We're locked in. Here we go. Yep.
So loud.
I know, sorry, I got scared. I'm playing a horror game. Okay, can y'all hear this? Okay. I'm assuming you can. Okay, collect all 7 notebooks. Oh, he's so jovial. Oh, he's over there too. Collect all 7 notebooks, endless mode. Okay, cool. Oh, is the sensitivity so high? Okay, hold up. Okay. How do I? Oh my god. Okay. He's following my every move. How do I? Can I go home? Alright, hold up. Can I change the sensitivity, please? There we go, controls. Horizontal axis, forward vector, okay, cool. Interact is left mouse button. Okay, so might be dumb. I might be dumb. We've known this though, we've known this. Hey Baldy. Hey Baldy. Okay, hold up. It might be my mouse. Is E already bound? It's not. Or close bound that to interact. Cool. Done. Okay. Back. Back. Alright, we're doing this. It's good, G. Okay, I guess I don't have to do anything with them. Oh, he's still talking to me. Alright. Okay. The fact that I can't look down is making me extremely uncomfortable. Okay, so I don't know how to do math.
Just type the correct answer into the empty box.
Fellas, what's the answer?
Press the enter key on your keyboard when you think you have the right.
There's a lot of information right now. I don't know what I'm doing. He's still talking. Fellas. Fellas, don't leave me here. Okay. 3, 6. No wait, 3. I trust you. Oh, do we you chilling? Okay, I'm guessing. What? Is my headset breaking? What is that?
You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
Did my headset break? Why is there static? Okay, cool. I did not mean to answer that wrong on purpose. One, obviously. Like every time you answer a problem wrong, tell me about it, dude. You ever learn math from your dad? Okay, sick kid lore right there. You can every door open? No, you can't. It's the ruler.
No running in the hall.
Shut up, man.
15 seconds. Detention for you. When will you learn?
Has he got his dogs out? Is that Baldy? Oh, it's principal. He slapped you with his ruler. Okay. That him? Yeah, he's a little goofy. Okay. Oh, I actually have to answer all of these? Okay, 2. So easy to do. 2, okay. Me out. Me out. Me out! That's not a secret. It makes me very unfortunate. No, you don't! How do you use items? Okay, Can I like hit? Can I hit him? No, I'm good, man. I don't need the tax break right now. Okay, hold on, we got this. Dude, this is actually what? Oh, I'm. No, I got double mini gamed. This is like real life. Okay, easy. Let me in. Oh my god, did you have mixed up? Yoink. Oh, okay, I can't close the door. Dun. Oh my god, I just don't move. The world is big. Class dismissed. Oh my god, 8, 4, 23. Yeah. Okay, watch. I'm about to mix the absolute crap out of Baldi. Okay, I can hear him. Okay, watch. Watch, these are pro strats, alright? He's right there. Okay. Okay, go. I fricked up. No running in the halls. Oh wait, going to detention actually might be the strat here. Hold up. This could be huge.
30 seconds. Detention for you.
Put your dogs away, man. This is a place of learning. Okay, we're actually cracked right now. We're actually cracked unless he knows exactly where I am, and I could be uber screwed. No! Sweet. What is that? I don't... Where's he? Is he coming back to patrol me? Yo! Janitor for the clutch! Hey, man. Faculty only. Is there a notebook in here? Did I death note? Can I kill Baldi? Can I kill Baldi with like a death note? Is that lore accurate? Oh, I'm getting my butt beat in a second. Dang. What? Might actually be dumb, guys. Yeah, hear every door open, blah, blah. Kill me, come on, do it! Oh, sweet, full I'm sorry! Ah, yes. A telescope. Alright, I'm ready for this nonsense. Yeah, blah, you gotta go to school, you gotta learn, what? You gotta learn basic math so you can, like, survive in the real world? Yeah, whatever, man. 1 minus 6, -5. 4, 0. Wow, you exist! Thanks, man, I try. This is exactly what I need. Alright, can we just talk about how we almost... Yo, I wish I got paid for basic school. La.
Problem 1.
La.
That's good one.
Oh my god.
You got it. Problem 3.
Are these actually possible, by the way?
Plus. Time. Equals.
Okay. We're locking in. It's perfect. Oh, he's right there. Did I? See, this game is a direct counter to my existence because I have a terrible ability of hey man, I'm not running. Can't do anything about that. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, so I have a terrible sense of direction IRL. Like, if you tell me to find a location, aka my own house, I could probably couldn't tell you. I navigate by smell. Cause I got that dog in me. Okay, we're so up right now. Max stamina. Okay, he's over there. Okay, what's in here? Dark alleyway. The safest location known to man. Okay. This is a Baldy soy jack? It is. Okay, I guess so. When you follow school rules, no running, no entering faculty, no bullying or drinking. What if I want to make kids feel bad for their own existence to... For what? Where were you? Put them dogs away. See, if I was barefoot, I could run that fast too. But I can't see my own feet, so I don't know if I am, dude. I am at a strategic disadvantage here. You gotta be kidding me, dog. Let's do this! Alright, we're gonna go for one more round, because I'm hungry. And I don't like how I'm actually struggling to do very basic math right now. Yeah. 3-7, -4. Thanks, in-game dad. I mean, teach. I don't have problems I need to unpack. Thanks, man. Okay, there's only... 009. 009 what? 5304 5009. Okay. Let's go, Chief. What is that? She's an Eldritch Horror, man.
No running in the hall.
I'm not running.
15 seconds.
Oh, is if he just like if he's just genuinely aware of my presence, he'll lock me in detention. Great miss. I don't know what's going on, dude. I've been to elementary school in like 12 years. Dang. Oh, that really scared me. I can taste my body actively shutting down. Okay, let's get the WD-40 and the keys. Okay, so that's one free to...
No entering school faculty only room.
Me. I don't care.
Detention for you. I escaped detention in the hall. For 45 seconds. Detention for you. You should know better.
You know, this is a pretty accurate representation of like how... Okay. Alright, this is gonna be the next grind. Hey, it's a glasses case. Because I can't see where I'm going. Alright, this is fun. We'll play it next time. Set the music back up to end on a chill note. Okay, so anyway, that's gonna do it for today's stream, guys. Again, thanks for 101 subs on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the insane growth on Twitch too. If you guys haven't tried it, I did post the potato game that I made on stream a while ago on itch.io. The link to my itch page is actually on the Twitch page, and the YouTube if you haven't checked it already, and give me some criticism. I'm really curious to see what you guys think of it. And of course, we'll end every stream with doing our thank yous. Huge thanks to Deus Ex Next, and congrats on learning Unreal, dude. You're only going up from here. Blah Man for hopping in and teaming up with Blind Man for hopping in and keeping up the chat, helping me through Body's Basics, giving me that sick song. Shaq Tuber for hopping in, Deus Ex for the meme, I see that right there. I love the British versus America fight we're having here. Thank you, Blind Man, for adding the American flag right there. My, what's it called? My patriotic pride begins and ends whenever I have to fight against another country for superiority. Okay, and Wine Pop for hopping in. Looking forward to seeing what you do with the rest of your game jam. Please let me play that, because I want to play a MarioWare game. And of course, let's go over to the YouTube side of things. Safe in Sinjin. Thank you to both of you guys for hopping in. If you guys are interested, I'm trying to get... Sinjin is actually going to teach Blender on the Discord pretty soon, so if you haven't joined that, we're going to try to get that figured out. And, oh yeah, of course, I can't believe I missed it. Angelo Sirocco. Dude, I'm sorry. You sent one message and I completely glossed over it. Oh yeah, of course. Angelo / Gianluca, dude, thanks for the $10 tip. Like, you're crazy for this. Seriously, man, I appreciate that, and I'm really glad that those tips help with the game development. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time, 11 a.m. PST. I hope you have a great rest of your day and keep being a nerd. I'm just gonna try that. We're gonna try that now. Keep being weird. No, that's not good. We'll figure this out. Either way, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.